Hi, I'm Cori from Cori Style, and today's video will be related to yarn and crochet. I have been doing crochet for several years now. I started it to do amigurumis, then I also made some like decoration, coasters. So as time went by, I started collecting all this yarn because as you can see while I'm showing you my small collection in quotes, a lot of them are not the same color, so I couldn't use them in bigger projects, and they use so much space to like keep. Yarn is not one of my favorite craft supplies. I'm not planning on doing any more projects related to crochet or yarn soon. So I decided to do some big projects using all this yarn. It is almost like a project pan to use all my yarn. So in here I show you all the yarn I had. I also selected a hook to start this big project, which is going to be a big bag chair. I decided to make this project like a big dice, like a cube. And for each side I decided to have a specific color. For example, one is gonna be more like pinkish, yellow, gray, green, blue. So I'm showing you the idea I have. And I also organize the colors order. I'll start with greens, blues, pink, red, yellows, browns. And at the end I have the white and the black yarn, which I might not use a lot in this project, but I already have in mind an idea to use this yarn at the end. So for this project I will be showing you, it's not a time lapse. I will be showing you every day I finish a side, I will show it to you. The first side, the green one, took me 6 days to finish. And if I remember correctly, the first 3 sides took me 6 days, and the last 3 took me around 4.5 to 5 days each side. So it was a long process. I feel this was caused mainly because I chose a hook that was kind of small. But I didn't want to use a bigger hook because then the texture was gonna be more flimsy, so I still wanted it to have some structure. I like the idea of using certain colors per side. I also added, as you can see, like a line dividing the rows. I think that make the whole project to be more like joined. So I really like how they turn out, especially the pink side. I really liked it. I did not record most of the crochet process because I felt it was very monotonous. I'm sorry if my pronunciation is a little bit weird. Remember, I'm practicing. So it was doing the same over and over again while I watch videos in YouTube or movies. So I just show you here like a little bit of the process because it was doing the same over and over again. I really like this project. It was fun. I have always wanted a beanbag chair, but they are usually very big and my room doesn't have much space. So it was fun to make it the size I wanted, and the best part was that I could use the yarn I had because it was taking a lot of space since it's very puffy. Even if I tried to put it inside boxes, it was chaos. So since I'm not planning to do anything else, I think this project was the best for that purpose. So at the end it took me 34 days and about 90,000 stitches to finish this project. In here I'm just gonna show you all the sides, all the colors that I did. I really like them. As I was telling you, I think the pink one and the brown side are my favorite sides. There is also one that I call the autumn side, the one with brown and red. That one I also liked it a lot. So once I finished all the sides, I also cut 6 sides of fluffy fabric because with this fabric I am planning to do a case to put inside the beanbag chair. Why? Because one, it will help me to divide the stuff that I put inside the chair, because at the beginning I'll use it kind of storage. And it will also help me to give more of a shape to the chair, because I don't want it to be like all over the place. I still want it to be kind of like a cube. So that's what I'm gonna use the case. So the next day, the last day, number 35, I added a zipper to the case, the fabric case, and also to the yarn sides. To the yarn sides, I added 2 zippers. Then, again with crochet, I join every side of the dies. In here you can see the final results after I sew everything together. And inside the case, I was telling you, I am gonna use it as storage, because right now I don't have filling and I needed a place to keep all these things, so I thought it was a good idea to make this chair and use it as storage. And inside the yarn chair, I am gonna keep my winter blankets. Where I live is usually not that cold, so I decided to use them to fill this chair, so that way the chair is gonna be fluffy and soft. So after I place the blankets inside, I also place the case inside the chair, and I really like the idea of using these zippers. I really enjoy it. In here, I noticed the chair needs more filling, which I added after this, but I wanted to show you the size. I feel the size is perfect for me and for my room. I really like how it looked. But I noticed from the starting yarn stash, I still have some left over, which I was telling you in the beginning of this video. I already have ideas to use it for. I will record a video or shorts and I will show you in the future. But after this final video, after this final day, I added more filling to the chair. So in here I will be showing you how it looked at the end. It looks almost the same, but it's more fluffy. I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye bye!